Baby, it is 3:08 p.m. on Friday afternoon, and Donald Trump has not contested the release of the warrant information. And the first news media piece that I saw was from Politico. Let's talk about it. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. I am your host Tabitha, and we are here to talk about the warrant that was executed on Mar-a-Lago earlier this week. The Republicans lost their minds one after the other. They went down the list demanding that the FBI release the information. And on yesterday afternoon, Merrick Garland said, okay. Knowing that not one of those Republicans wanted this information released. Because if they did, Donald Trump just would have released the information. But why? Because he gets a copy of the warrant and a list of everything that they took from the search. Before we get too deep into this, let me welcome all of my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you've come across this video and are not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you. We talk all things politics over here. And we're getting ready to talk about what was in this warrant, honey. I got the article from Politico. You all know a link to the article will be down in the description box. Also, check out the live that I did this morning. We talked briefly about this. Shared wonderful commentary that was given by Lawrence O'Donnell yesterday evening. We talked a little bit about what went on out there in Cincinnati, Ohio. Yeah. Let's get into this article from Politico. This is what Politico is reporting. A search warrant viewed by Politico reveals that the FBI is investigating Donald Trump for a potential violation of the Espionage Act and removed classified documents from the former president's Florida estate earlier this week. Now, if you were in my live earlier today, I told you I knew years ago, it was in my gut that Donald Trump was selling secrets when the Russians were sitting up in the White House and Donald Trump was flapping his gums and releasing classified information because he talks too much. I said then, Donald Trump is selling U.S. secrets. I knew it then. I knew it then. I knew it in my gut. Did I know it? No, but my gut knew it. He's being investigated for violation of the Espionage Act. The former president of the United States is being investigated for violation of the Espionage Act. Let me continue on with the article. A receipt accompanying the search warrant viewed by Politico on Friday shows that Trump possessed documents including a handwritten note, documents marked with TS/SCI, which indicate one of the highest levels of government classification, and another item labeled info regarding President of France. The warrant shows federal law enforcement was investigating Trump for removal of destruction of records, obstruction of an investigation, and violating the Espionage Act. Conviction under the statutes can result in imprisonment or fines. The documents, which are expected to be unsealed later Friday after the Justice Department sought their public disclosure amid relentless attacks by Trump and his GOP allies, underscore the extraordinary national security threat that federal investigators believe the missing documents presented. The concern grew so acute that Attorney General Merrick Garland approved the unprecedented search of Trump's estate last week. I mentioned in the live earlier today that I believe what lit fire underneath them, because they've been negotiating with Donald Trump for the past year and a half to try to get these documents back. And Donald Trump has been non-compliant, I will say. But what I believe lit fire underneath Merrick Garland and the FBI to say, okay, enough is enough. We are in serious danger. We have to get these documents back, is that Saudi Arabia golf tournament that they had last week. I think once they saw how chummy they were with the Saudis, they knew ish was wrong and they needed to get the documents back. What do you think? You can comment your thoughts on that down below. Taylor Buttigieg, a spokesperson for Trump, said the FBI's move was not just unprecedented but unnecessary, and now they are leaking lies and innuendos to try to explain away the weaponization of government against dominant political opponents. This is outrageous. That's the end of the breaking news article. This came out at 3:03 p.m. Based on this article, there's more to come. But yes, Donald Trump is being investigated for violation of the Espionage Act. Donald Trump is being investigated for selling U.S. secrets. The former president of the United States, y'all. I don't think you realize how big this really is. He's also charged with removal. Well, he's being investigated for removal or destruction of records and obstruction of an investigation. Baby, as soon as more information about that is released, I will bring it to you. But Donald Trump has other issues that he has to deal with legally, because just before Politico came out with this, it was being reported that Donald Trump has other legal issues that he has to deal with, because the judge in his case down in New York said that that case can proceed. So, yeah, it's getting bad for Donald Trump. And I am here for it. Every last bit of it. Y'all get down in the comments. Y'all let me know your thoughts on your previous president being investigated for violation of the Espionage Act. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Thank you for tuning in to the conversation. Make sure you subscribe and rate the episode. And to stay connected with Tabitha, head on over and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's Tabitha. And you can also follow on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. All the links will be available in the More Info box. Until next time, be good to yourselves and each other.
And each other.